Ah, there they are, folks. There's our happy Trogon couple. He's on the left, she's on the right. They had some eggs recently. Unfortunately, none of them were viable, but they'll probably try again soon.
That's a happy couple.
You see, folks, what drives the Trogon gals crazy is very good back structure. I think you'll agree with me that his is pretty much a real looker. Oh, off she goes.
That's cool. I can hear you, honey. What are you looking for?